Hello everyone. In this session we are going to create a query which will be extracting data from multiple tables. In my previous session, if you guys have seen my previous session, we were having in the student table itself a student name, city ID and country ID. Now I have created another table in which the personal information will be lying there. Open and this country ID. Okay. So all the information about the student, his name, city, country, or let's see, insert rows. I'll put address. Short text which is fine. Okay, close this one. Now I'll create a relationship between these two tables. Create. Okay, just arrange the layout a little bit so it will be clear that which field is related to which field. Now city ID and country ID. Now the relationship has been changed. We'll link it to student info table. Country ID to country ID. Okay. Save. I'll close. Now I'll enter student info. ID 1. Name Jerry. Address 5th Avenue. City ID 1. Country ID 1. Okay. As an example. Okay. Smith. Sixth Street. City 1. Country 1. For the timing we'll just put these two. Okay. Now if you see, if you create a table, if you create a form based on student, what it will look like. Only student ID, grade ID, session, fee is there, but we want to have personal information as well on this table, because this table can currently this form can be used only for official purpose, official record. But if we want to get the complete information of a student, then we need to create a different form. So I'll say no. Now first of all, we are going to create a query which will extract the data from both of these tables. Now 1, 2 is here, 3. Okay, I will enter name here as well. Gary, 8th Street, City 1, ID 1. Okay, then I will create. Okay, and we'll close this one. Now we create a query based on multiple tables. Student, add, student info, add. Okay, select the table student or student ID, grade ID, session, fee. Now the next table is student info, so we'll select student name, address, city ID and country ID. Run the query, and now you can see the 3 students were having related records in the address, in the personal information table. Go to design view. I'll show you the SQL view how it is getting. Now understand this statement, SQL statement. Select student or student ID. Okay, student or student name. Now student info dot student name, student info dot address, which means that now the data is being extracted from 2 tables. From student, inner join. Inner join means that the SQL, the query itself, is making relation between these 2 tables, but based on the field. Now I'll show you. From student, this is the primary table. Inner join student info on student dot student ID equals to student info dot student ID, which means that in both tables, I will open for you. In both table, if we talk about Jerry, so student ID 1, take the information of student ID 1 from this table and take the student ID 1 from student info table, where 1 is equals to 1. If you don't make inner join, then what will happen? these ID, how many IDs are there? 8 students are there. Here we have 3. What it will do, it will mix up the data and you will be getting around 8 multiplied by 3, 24 records we will be getting. So that's why this inner join is very much necessary, which is created automatically once you add multiple tables and then you select multiple fields. Another thing what you can do, okay, you can add more tables. Show table, city, add, country, add. Now from the city table you can take city name and country name. Save this query. Just for the time being, okay, don't save. We'll go to design and run this query. Now you can see the student complete record is coming up. 1, 2, 3, grade 7, grade 1, 2, session, fee, student name, address, city ID is still appearing, so London and UK. We don't want to have city ID and country ID, so just uncheck this one. Now you see, now the data is being extracted from almost 3 tables.